So we're going to talk about how the Halo 360 is basically the same as the Jesus. So Halo 360 looks like you start off with a Halo roll, and then you turn, and you do a neck wrap. This little guy is going to take this. Neck wrap, and then you keep on turning, and it goes back into a Halo roll, and it finishes off blah, like that. So if we substitute the neck wrap part of the Halo roll for a chest Halo, so he keeps turning, instead of it neck wrapping about here, now it goes across the front. It does the front chest roll, chest Halo roll, and then he keeps on going, it goes across the back, finishes off the Jesus. Shabab. So there is these little wobbles in the Halo 360 on the shoulders that allow this substitution to be really nice. So I start the Halo roll, it kind of goes here, it's like, am I going across? I kind of not. Now I'm going to back neck wrap, and am I going to keep going? No, I'm going to go back to the Halo. Blah, like that. So you can substitute either of these parts of the roll for the other things it can be substituted for. So the Halo roll can be substituted for a throat wrap, and then you get this kind of crazy, it does chest Halo, and then instead of Halo rolling here, it goes across the chest, throat, and then it keeps on going, and you're going back to the chest Halo, and then you finish up, and you're like blam, like that. This is this weird Halo 360 on the chest. It's quite unpleasant to do. The other substitution is a little weirder because you have to substitute both the Halo roll and the chest Halo roll for the throat wrap and the neck wrap. So you just get this kind of full neck wrap substitution, which should look like this. So, no, I guess I can't. So if I do neck wrap, do I normally do it this way around? And then it should keep going and fold, throat wrap, keep going, neck wrap. So the Halo 360, you substitute the neck wrap part for a chest Halo roll, you get the Jesus. And then to get even further away from the Halo 360, you substitute the Halo part of the Jesus for a throat wrap, and you get the front Halo 360. And then if you substitute the chest Halo part of the Jesus for a neck wrap, you get this weird turning full neck wrap thing that's very hard to do. And that's how they're all the same.